today we are going to start with the second part of the chapter Reach for the Top. And first part में हमने अभी तक पढ़ा था about the story of Santosh Yadav, and today we are going to read the story of Maria Sharapova. Now I think you all know about her because she is a very prominent tennis player, lawn tennis player, and she has achieved some miraculous things in her career. She was basically from Russia, and Russia के अंदर के Siberia, which is one of the coldest place on this earth where human beings actually exist. ठीक है? And from there, at the very young age, along with her father, she migrated to US so that she can get the actual proper hardcore training of tennis. और उस टाइम पर ओनली एट द एज ऑफ 9 अपनी मदर से दूर जाना, इट वॉज अ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट टास्क फॉर हर. एंड मदर से दूर जाना, वो भी एक ऐसी जगह पर जहाँ पर यू डोंट नो एनी वन, एक पूरे का पूरा आपका कल्चर चेंज हो जाता है, लोग चेंज हो जाते हैं. एंड फ्रॉम साइबेरिया टू US, so it was a huge transformation for her, especially at a very young age, and especially when it took her a lot of time to understand about the actual changes which were happening in her life. ठीक है? Although she had her father in US, लेकिन वहाँ पर भी problems थी because उसके father जो हैं, he was working really hard, he was working double shift so that he can actually pay for her tennis piece. So जिस tennis academy में she was staying there, she was practicing there, she was learning it there. So it was very difficult for her father to cope up with the financial situation, and because of that he was working double shifts. और वो because he was working so hard, तो कहीं ना कहीं it was very difficult for him to come and meet his daughter on a regular basis. So basically Maria was missing her mother, and along with that she was also missing her father. But जब वो उस ट्रेनिंग एकेडमी में गई, टेनिस एकेडमी में, she started learning there. वहाँ पर भी she had to face a lot of problems, क्योंकि because she was of such a young age, तो जो उसके seniors थे, down the line somewhere, they always used to bully her. They used to ask her to wash their clothes or do the odd jobs. तो उसको उन सारी चीज़ों से भी she has to cope up with them as well. But she had that determination that she fought each problem in her life with a lot of dignity, and that was one of the main reason that she went on to become one of the best lawn tennis player in the world. अब इस चैप्टर के अंदर मारिया की पूरी जर्नी को शो किया गया है, दैट हाउ शी केम फ्रॉम द फ्रोजन प्लेन्स टू दी टोटली डिफरेंट कंट्री दैट इज़ US, और वहाँ पर आकर उसने किस तरीके से सारी चीज़ों के साथ कोप अप किया, हाउ शी ट्रेन्ड हरसेल्फ, किस तरीके से उसने अपने आप को इतना बेटर बनाया दैट उसको आगे से आगे चांस मिलता गया. शी क्वालिफाइड इन एवरी टूर्नामेंट दैट शी पार्टिसिपेटेड इन, एंड देन शी वेंट ऑन टू बीट Serena Williams, and she went on to become number 1 in the world. And she has won a lot of tournaments like French Open, US Open, जो कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया ओपन, जो कि वर्ल्ड के काफ़ी सबसे प्रोमिनेंट टूर्नामेंट्स माने जाते हैं व्हेन इट कम्स टू लॉन टेनिस. एंड शी वन अ लॉट ऑफ देम, एंड शी इवेंचुअली बिकेम नंबर 1 इन द वर्ल्ड. अब इसके बीच में देयर वाज अ प्रॉब्लम. Originally she was from Russia, but she learned everything in US. So there was a problem with her nationality, that if she is going to play, she is going to play on the behalf of which country, So she gave her statement in an interview, and she said that although she's been living in US for a very long time, but originally she is from Russia, and her roots are from Russia. And if the Russian government will allow her, and if the Russian government will ask her to play on their behalf in the Olympics, she would definitely choose to play on behalf of Russia instead of US. हम बोलते हैं ना कि when our people जो दूसरी कंट्रीज में रह रहे होते हैं, तो even though they are living there, even though they have their entire life settled down there, but they always have that Indian thing inside them. You can take an Indian out of the India, but you cannot take Indian, the essence of India out of that person. Okay? Now I'll give you an example that my brother, he lives in Paris. Okay? But a lot of times when we are talking, he expresses that how much he misses India. Although he has gone there in search of a better life, of course, but when you are somewhere else, you miss your original, your native place. And same thing happened with Maria, that although she was living in USA, but she had that very strong connection with Russia, and that is why she chose to play with on the behalf of Russia instead of US. Okay. She was just 9 years old when she learned a very important lesson in her life, that tennis excellence would only come at a price. Now this is a very strong statement from the chapter, where she expresses that she was just 9 years old. वो सिर्फ 9 साल की थी जब उसने एक बहुत ही अपनी लाइफ का इम्पोर्टेंट लेसन सीख लिया था, दैट नथिंग इन दिस लाइफ कम्स ईजी, एंड इफ शी वांटेड टू आउटशाइन इन द वर्ल्ड ऑफ टेनिस, शी हैड टू पे अ प्राइस फॉर दैट. और वो प्राइस उसका था गेटिंग सेपरेटेड फ्रॉम हर मदर, वर्किंग डे एंड नाइट, एंड checking her endurance, checking her extreme limits in order to become the best in the world. And she learned this lesson at the mere age of 9 years. Then another thing जो इस चैप्टर के अंदर बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग है, वो है कि she was just 9 years old when she went to US and when she got admitted in the tennis academy. So because she was one of the youngest player there, तो obviously जो छोटे बच्चे होते हैं उनको नहीं पता होता about the things which adults enjoy. So she used to go to bed at 8, और उसके जो seniors थे, they used to come at 11 and they used to wake her up. वो सो रही होती थी, उसके सीनियर्स आते थे, दे यूज्ड टू वेक हर अप एट 11 एंड रात को 11 बजे आकर उसको बोलते थे कि उनका बेड ठीक करे, वो उनका रूम साफ करे, वो विच वॉज ऑब्वियसली अ काइंड ऑफ ड्रैगिंग. लेकिन ऑल दीज थिंग्स डिड नॉट डीमोरलाइज हर. उसको इनफैक्ट दे गेव हर मोर स्ट्रेंथ टू बिकम रियली गुड एट वट she was doing there. These were the things. जब वो बोलते हैं ना कि जब मुसीबतें ज़्यादा आती है ना, तो आप इवेंचुअली इतने ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग हो जाते हो, इतने ज़्यादा डिटरमाइंड हो जाते हो, दैट यू वेंट ऑन टू डू समथिंग रियली गुड इन योर लाइफ. ठीक है. The same thing happened with Maria Sharapova, that all the odd situations in her life gave her more strength to become one of the best in her field. Okay.